and that just gives some random movement around there. Now we'll take our locator and Control D, and we'll rename it locator 2. And if we go into the masks, in fact we'll bring up S for scale, and we'll increase the scale to put it outside of the ring, and we'll bring up MM for the masks, and what we need to do is decrease the outer, which is the mask number 1. We're going to bring that in fairly tight, and we'll change the shape to something like that, and that's working fine. And we'll just do one more locator, Control D, and we'll bring up our masks, MM, and we want to hit S for scale to bring the scale in. We want to bring it just inside our other mask, and if we bring up our masks, mask 3, highlight it and just reposition some of these keyframes like so, and that gives us that element that we're looking for there. Okay, so that's looking fine, and the last thing we need to do is create a crosshair. And just while we're here, grab all of your locators, hit T, and drop the transparency down to 75. Now let's create a new solid, and call it crosshairs, and select OK, and let's create a rectangle, double click and Control T, and we want to slide that in fairly tight and slide it down. We'll just come in here, slide it down across, that's probably what we're looking for. And then we want to go Control D to duplicate that mask, and Control T, and just using the shift button to lock it around to 90 degrees. And the next one we need is